How's it going, guys? Hope you're all having a very Merry Christmas. And as I talked about in my video yesterday, we're gonna be doing a little bit of what I like to call open heart surgery. Basically what we're doing today is we're transferring everything in there into everything in there. Oh, look at that glare. And putting in all these new parts. So I've never really done a video like this, so I think I'm just gonna get straight into it, honestly. As of now, we're gonna be working on the floor because it's kind of the best place. I mean, my desk is pretty messy, so. So these are the cables that come with, and it's actually cool because in the older series, you have to plug the cable like straight into this part here. But I'm pretty sure for this one, it plugs straight into the radiator, like right there. No, starting on this side, I guess. Wow. All right, so we managed to move the front panel enough just to get the plastic off, because I don't think it's going to be necessary to take it completely off. So we've gotten off all the panels and shit, but now it's time to get rid of these because it's not 2012 anymore and we're not using hard drives. Look at how much more room we got now. These fans are sweet because they're so easy to daisy chain. They literally just pop off, like, you just attach them together. But we're gonna be installing these on the side panel close to the motherboard. Got the fans in. Now's the scary part where I take everything out of my old PC and shove it into here. GPU is out. Oh. God, this is always so scary. Oh my God. So here's what's going on now. This is just gonna get lifted up, just plop straight in there. We got the motherboard in. Okay, now we've got installing these sockets. Okay, ignore my feet, but here's what's next. We're gonna be putting this set of fans at the bottom with this bracket here, but fortunately we are going to have to put them upside down like that, but that's okay. Perfect. Half an hour later, and I've actually cleaned it up pretty well. I'm happy with it at least, so. Double checked everything and pretty much ready to power on. So we're just gonna hope for the best. I'm nervous. Hey, that's a good sign, right? Just these aren't on. I'll figure it out. All right, I'm gonna try to figure this stuff out and then I'll be back. All right, so it is a few weeks later, a few good weeks later, and would you check it out? That is freaking sick. Basically what happened, check out those temps right there. That's not bad, come on. All right, so what happened exactly is that these fans, I ordered them separately, and I didn't realize that when you order them separately, it doesn't come with a controller that you need to actually use them. So that's, where is it? That guy, where is it? It's not in focus. That dude, right there, caused all the problems. And I couldn't find one anywhere for about a week, and then I found one, and luckily my friend came in clutch and he ordered it for me to my house. Obviously paid him back for it, but yeah, we got the Spotify web integration from NZXT, and we just got like some GIFs or GIFs, however the fuck you say it, and some temp readings and fans, like fan readings. But anyways, that's pretty much it, honestly. It was fun doing this. I'll see you guys probably for the next gym video. Bye-bye.